Hello, I'm Yolanda Mangrum.
And I'm Jennifer Chevalier. And we are the co-founders of Virtual Training Innovation. Our cloud-based training platform makes the never-ending cycle of training repeatable and consistent.
Our commitment to shared knowledge of best practices is why we are so excited to announce our first book, Hire to Inspire: What Great Leaders Do to Consistently Achieve Winning Results, which features talent from our VT store.
Chapter 4 is entitled Core Values, Lead by Example, with Bob Leonard and Joseph Stitch. The purpose of this chapter is to discuss why it is important to lead by example and to clearly articulate your company's core values. This chapter also shows leaders how to match company core values with their team members' core values.
The talent for this chapter is so passionate about core values that they translate this into an even deeper meaning. They say core values are governing values and the honor code of living your life. Joseph Stitch has over 20 years of experience being an executive growth and development consultant, and Robert Leonard is an executive coach for Fortune Management. Both Joseph and Bob agree that leaders must continually improve their leadership skills and be willing to give their team permission to hold them accountable in maintaining their stated core values.
It's imperative to select team members whose personal core values match the company's core values. Hire to Inspire will share many winning strategies, including the over 100 great interview tips and questions that will give you the blueprint to selecting the right person to fit your unique culture and business.
Watch the Hire to Inspire chapter videos for the highlights and key takeaways, and sign up to receive the PDF entitled Best Interview Questions to Selecting Your Team by going to our website.
And learn what great leaders do to consistently achieve winning results.